Hello everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to add emojis on Discord. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the Discord application first. Now once you're at the Discord, you need to go to the server of yours. Tap open server and on the text box where you type in the message, you will see the emoji circle face icon. You tap that and there you will find all the emojis for you to use in your Discord. Now there you can see all the options. There's mid-journey option as well and other. If you scroll down, you will find all the other emojis in here. You have a lot of option to choose from. So if you want to add a smile, you can tap that and then tap and send. This is a way how you can easily add emojis to Discord while sending a text message to anyone on Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.